So here we have the Ford Galaxy on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, loads of boot space as well. What you're looking at there are the 3 current rear seats. This is a 7-seat vehicle, so if you want to fold the rear 2 seats out, they will become the middle seats, of course, and your boot space will be this section at the back just here. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I said, we'll run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We've got the rev counter on the left-hand side along with the coolant temperature gauge, the fuel gauge on the right-hand side with the speedometer. Then we have a digital readout for the speedometer in the centre with the total miles for this car beneath that. They are 44,884. You can change information that's displayed in this section, so you can have your phone, navigation and entertainment information. And over on the left-hand side, you can have your trip computer, fuel economy, driver assist and your settings. And that is all done using these buttons for that middle section and these ones for the left-hand side. We've also got cruise control and speed limiter, stereo and phone controls, and then the main touchscreen itself, which includes, as you can see, colour satellite navigation. If we back out to the radio, we have on here AM, FM, DAB, CD player and Bluetooth audio as well. Working our way down is the CD player, the volume for the stereo, and below that, dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature, you can increase and decrease the fan speed. When you are happy with that, you can turn your air conditioning on, and it's on when that light shows, of course. Same button to turn it off again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain, as you can hear, the temperatures that you've asked for by taking control of the fan speed for you. You can manually override that whenever you wish to. We have 2 USB inputs, a 12-volt charging socket and some storage. Your 6-speed manual gearbox. We can turn off the stop and start. We can turn off the parking sensors. And over on this side, we have the electronic handbrake for the car. The last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. There's a button up here that will open up the sun blind. The sun blind will open halfway, take your finger off the button, press it again, and that will then open all the way to the back of those rear seats. Now you can leave it like this, and of course, as you can see, that lets in a huge amount of light to the cabin area, but if you wish to, this front section opens as a full sliding sunroof as well. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we hold for the car. So you can see the V5 registration document, 2 keys with this vehicle, the service book, which has got stamps for 2018, 19, 21 and 24 just there. If this vehicle or any vehicle that we sell requires an MOT within the 6-month period at the point at which we sell it, we will also do that for you as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Watson Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.